This is your Fox 47 News Flash.
Welcome to your Fox 47 News Flash from the Digital Newsroom. I'm Chris Lewis, and these are the top stories that we're following. Pharmacists can now dispense emergency refills of prescriptions after Governor Gretchen Whitmer signed an executive order on Wednesday. Under the order that takes effect immediately, refills for up to 60 days worth of medicine can be dispersed to patients and require insurers to cover the emergency refills during the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. According to it ends on April 22nd, but could be renewed as needed. The order number 2020-25 will also allow pharmacists to dispense coronavirus treatments according to the government-approved protocols. The order only applies to non-controlled substances. Pharmacists will also have the discretion to substitute therapeutically equivalent medications without prescriber approvals if they are critical shortages. The Jackson County Health Department has announced there could be a potential exposure of coronavirus at two events attended by large groups of people. The first event was the Michigan High School Athletic Association Boys Basketball District Tournament game at Concord High School, which featured Concord, Hanover Horton, Homer, and Jonesville boys basketball teams. That tournament took place on Wednesday, March 11th. The second event was a homeschool community event held at Jackson Free Methodist Church, located at 2829 Park Drive in Vandercook on Wednesday, March 11th. The health department is asking anyone who attended one of those events or who has had close contact for a prolonged time with someone who attended one of those events to be aware that they have potentially been exposed to the coronavirus. The health department said symptoms typically show up in 2 to 14 days after exposure. The department said exposure could have occurred at the event or several days later with close contact to someone who attended the event. The department said exposure does not mean that you need to be tested, even if you do have symptoms, but you should stay home if you're feeling ill. The department said if you have symptoms or if one of your close contacts has developed symptoms, that a person should isolate themselves from others in the house as much as possible. And if you've attended either of those events and are showing any symptoms, you are asked to call the Jackson County Health Department. That number is 517-788-4420. When you did get there, hit option 9 and leave a message. With so many restaurants shutting down and laying off workers because of the coronavirus, people at a business in St. John's are taking it upon themselves to help everyone else. The owners of Omi Organics Gourmet Chocolate Shop in St. John's decided to organize a fundraiser to help the wait staff at 15 St. John's restaurants and bars. Megan and Brent Hurst said the idea started with a donation jar dropped off by a worker at a restaurant next door. Now their nonprofit, Eat Healthy, Eat Local, is accepting donations through Facebook. So far, the nonprofit has raised more than $6,000. They'd like to collect at least $20,000. They hope to split the money between all of the businesses. In a time when we can't gather around a table, we can still come together as a community. We're Open, MidMichigan, is a partnership between Fox 47 News, WSYM-TV, and our local restaurants and businesses with one goal, getting them through this tough time. Every day, we will help to shine a light on the businesses that make up our community and help to create the soul of our neighborhoods. We will tell their stories, rally around those who are keeping the grills going, the hospitals running, and the businesses operating. Fox 47 News, WSYM-TV is committed to bringing you those stories and giving our local businesses a voice in our newscasts, on our website, mobile app, and social media sites. If you're a business supporting our community, we want to hear from you. Please go to fox47news.com/open to submit your video or comments and let us know how your business or organization is evolving to support all of us. Also, we've started a Facebook group called We're Open MidMichigan. This is to help to support all Mid-Michigan businesses in their time of need. From all of us here at Fox 47 News, know that we will continue to share up-to-date information regarding the coronavirus at fox47news.com/coronavirus. We know that this is an unprecedented time and that you need to know what is happening to keep you and your family safe while staying connected to other news impacting the world, and we will continue to share this on air, on our website, and on all of our social media channels. Know that we are with you through all of this. Learn more about all of these and all Mid-Michigan's breaking news on fox47news.com.